Welcome back to Unpack English. Today, we're covering 5 essential English grammar rules that will help you speak more clearly and write with confidence.
Let's get started. First up, subject-verb agreement. This is a big one. In English, the verb must always match the subject. If your subject is singular, the verb needs to be singular too. If the subject is plural, the verb has to be plural. It's that simple. For example, we say, he runs every day, not he run every day. And for a plural subject, it's they run every day, not they runs every day. Getting this right instantly makes your English sound more natural. Next, let's talk about then versus them. So many learners mix these up, but the rule is easy to remember. Then, with an E, is all about time or sequence what happens next. Then, with an A, is for making a comparison. So you'd say, first we eat, then we play. And she is taller than her brother. Remember, E for sequence, A for comparison. Rule number 3 is about when to use a or an. The secret isn't the letter, it's the sound. You use a before words that start with a consonant sound, and in before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, a cat and an apple. But here, as the tricky part, we say a university because university starts with a U sound, which is a consonant sound. And we say an hour because the H is silent, so it starts with a vowel sound. Always trust your ears on this one.
Now, for rule number 4, word order in questions. English questions have a very clear pattern, which is great for learners. It usually goes question word, followed by an auxiliary verb, then the subject, and finally the main verb. For example, where are you going? Or what did she say? A common mistake is saying something like where you are going. Stick to the formula and your questions will always be perfect. Our 5th and final rule is about adjectives versus adverbs. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, people, places, or things. Adverbs describe verbs. They tell you how an action is done, and they often end in lie. For instance, she is a good singer. Here, good is an adjective describing the noun singer.
But if we want to describe the action, we say, she sings well. Well is the adverb describing how she sings. All right, let's do a quick review of what we learned.
First, match your subjects with your verbs. Second, use then for time and then for comparison.
Third, choose a or an based on the sound, not the spelling.
Fourth, follow the correct word order for questions. And fifth, use adjectives for nouns and adverbs for actions. Now it's time for a little quiz to check your understanding. I'll give you 5 questions. Try to answer them before I reveal the solutions. Number 1, choose the correct verb. She to school every day. Is it go or goes? Number 2, choose the correct word. She is smarter. Her sister, is it then or then. Number 3, choose the correct article. I saw elephant at the zoo. Is it a or an? Number 4, how would you change this statement into a question? The statement is, you are studying English. And finally, number 5, which word is the adverb in this sentence? He runs quickly.
Pause the video if you need a moment to think. Ready for the answers? Let's see how you did. For number 1, the correct verb is goes. She goes to school every day. For number 2, it's than. She is smarter than her sister. We're making a comparison. For number 3, the answer is an. I saw an elephant. For number 4, the question is, are you studying English? And for number 5, the adverb is quickly. It describes how he runs. Great job. Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. Grammar gets easier with practice. For more clear, simple English lessons and quizzes just like this one, make sure to subscribe to English Academy.